At least 5 pilgrims, including 2 women from Andhra Pradesh, were reported missing in the cloudburst and flash flood near the holy Amarnath cave in Kashmir, the state government said on Sunday. The 5 pilgrims belonged to different towns in the state and remained untraced after the tragedy near the holy cave. The state government dispatched AP Bhavan Additional Resident Commissioner Himanshu Kaushik to Srinagar to coordinate with the local authorities and ensure safety of AP pilgrims, an official release said. The AP government also opened a dedicated helpline number 1902 to extend required help to pilgrims from the state. Helplines were also set up in the AP Bhavan in New Delhi for any assistance to pilgrims and their relatives, the release added.